Here's how you can use ChatGPT to analyze PDFs. Portable document formats often include valuable details, but analyzing the contents would be time-consuming. Most users prefer AI tools to make their work easier. As users wait on tenterhooks for OpenAI's reasoning-focused AI, many search for innovative ways to use existing features. ChatGPT's capabilities expand from creating graphs to analyzing videos, while its potential for PDF analysis is especially noteworthy. This feature of ChatGPT can majorly provide an advantage to students, researchers, and professionals grappling with extensive documents. Get Insider has a step-by-step guide for using ChatGPT to analyze PDFs. First, launch ChatGPT and click Login. If you're using ChatGPT for the first time, sign up using your preferred method and create an account, continuing with your Gmail, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once logged in, search the paperclip in the prompt box. Click it and select how to upload your PDF. Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or from your computer. Select your PDF so it's attached. After uploading, write a clear question or prompt about the PDF. For example, if you've uploaded an essay, you might give a prompt, summarize the main arguments of this essay, and list the key examples or texts used to support them. After generating results, read ChatGPT's answer carefully. Check for accuracy, particularly with important documents. If required, ask relevant follow-up questions or for any clarifications you might need. Experiment with different types of questions. You can ask ChatGPT to compare sections, find specific information, or create outlines based on the document's content. ChatGPT is a tool to help you, not replace your understanding. It's essential to confirm important information and use your judgment when interpreting the results.